Hey, what's up, guys? Got another unboxing. It's gonna be hopefully a short one, but just got this in today. Can't say I've been waiting a while. We've been waiting a while at our field to get them, but apparently Virgie keeps on telling us, hey, we don't have everything. So, of course, I'd ordered this somewhere else, and I decided to order it from Hustle. It is a Virtue Vio. And in the comments I told them that they had to build it with love. And they sent me this. Built for Jason with love. So, that's pretty awesome. Inside here is some stickers. Like them on Facebook. Join PB Right. Join their YouTube channel, and everybody should do that because they're a pretty awesome group of guys. I mean, judging from their YouTube channel and from some people that I talked to on YouTube that's played with them at Blitz Paintball. They're from Broomfield, Colorado. So, anyway, I ordered the Vio. I ordered the second strap. And come with pathogen cleaner, lens cleaner, somewhere. And I decided to get more of a reffing mask, so I went with this one. It's, oh man, cat. It is a lime green frame, orange and lime bottom, chromatic fire lens, and of course the green Virtue strap. That's why I got the second strap, because, I don't know, I like the double straps. It's pretty cool. More comfy. Well, to me it is anyway. So, but I think in the bottom of this box, of course, you get the chin strap. Not sure who would use that. I'm sure there's somebody that does. And yeah. Bottom here, you get, if you get another lens, you get an extra lens bag. And this is the mask bag. And this is your lens removal, how to do it, correct, wrong, all the different ways of, how it is. Everybody's seen it. I mean, it's not like this mask is, new to the market. It's new-ish, but new to me, new to us. So, anyway, that's it. Like I said, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to ours anyway. Subscribe to, oh, cat. Subscribe to Hustle Paintball on YouTube. Go like their Facebook page. All that cool stuff. Thumbs up all their videos. Like all their videos. Their videos are pretty cool. Grummer behind the counter is pretty awesome. I mean, they're all just fun. Seem like a fun bunch of guys. So, anyway, I think that's about it. I'm trying to keep this really short. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks. Bye.